Hey, welcome back to the channel. Wish this guy a 39th Rabbid Rabbit birthday. Hey, busy weekend, let me tell you. His birthday, my 25th class reunion for high school, and behind me we had a little project. And let me just turn around here and let you guys see what we've got going on here. Yeah, we assembled a lift and we got out of storage my dad's Camaro. It hasn't been moved in over 12 years, and let me tell you, it's a work in progress, but I'm impressed at how well it cleaned up, thanks to Rabbid Rabbit, of course. And you know, we're going to do some more video on this to come, but I thought it was cool to share with you the lift and the storage feature. And you know, I got to tell you, I only have a 10-foot ceiling in here, and I was worried, will this work? But as you can tell, there's a lot of room up there. So I hope that you guys stay tuned, watch for more videos. This old girl here, we'll get her running. 396 SS, big block car. I think you guys will enjoy some videos in the near future. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Cool.